You're welcome to New Focus Approach to Mathematics Basic 8. This is the revised edition. In this lesson, we are going to look at using knowledge of sets to solve real-life problems involving the union and intersection of sets. For this first part, we are going to look at the concept of sets in general. Then we'll be looking at union, intersection, subset, types of sets, and so on and so forth. This lesson can be found in page 30. So what is set in the first place? Set is a well-defined, distinct collection of objects of the same kind. And it is the collection of objects having a common property. That is what set is all about. Now, if you go to your kitchen, you see that you have organized your utensils, your plates, your bowls, your cereals, your rice, grains. You see where you have your spices, they are in the particular container of their kind. That is set. Okay, that is set. If you go to library, imagine having to find a book without a help of set. What would have been? You go to the library and every book is anywhere. It will be very difficult for you to search for a particular book that you want. So books in library are organized in a particular subject area, so that it will be very easy for you to find them. Then again, if you go to supermarkets, have you ever thought about you shopping and there is no groupings of similar items and everything is just anywhere? It will be difficult to shop, especially when you go to a very huge or big supermarket. So department stores organize different areas so shoppers can quickly find what they are looking for and make purchases. So that is the use of sets. Now, writing and denoting sets are denoted by a symbol called curly brackets. Curly brackets. Okay, and the curly bracket simply is this symbol. We put in object into it and we categorize it as set, and we often give it a name using capital letters to represent the name of a set. So if I call this one maybe set B, I will say set B is a set of fruits. I can call this set C. Set C is a set of maybe sewing materials or writing materials whatsoever, right? How do we represent set? We have three ways we can do this. Now, before then, let's look at set. Like we said earlier on, it's be denoted by a capital letter, and then the members in here are called the elements of the set. Elements of the set. So we can represent sets, maybe set A with our curly bracket, and we put elements in it. Now, we say that the object or the component in the set are called the element or the members. Okay, so here we can see set A has a member A, B, C, D, E. That is what the representation of set is all about. So set B contains element 1, 3, 5, 7, and so on and so forth. So we can say 3 is a member of, and the symbol here represents member of or element of. So 3 is a member of set B. If I write this one, I can say 7 and 9 are members of B. If I write 6, you see 6 cannot be found in this set because this set seems to be of odd numbers. And 6 is not an odd number. So 6 is not a member of, look at the way I've written it, not a member of. That means the symbol member of like this, not, and we cross it, not a member of. Then 8, 10 are not members of set B, right? Now, how do we describe set? Ways of describing set. There are three ways we are going to look at. The first one is listing of members or elements in the set. So maybe if I say a set of counting numbers, then I will list all the counting numbers. If I say a set of alphabet, then I can bring a set of alphabet. Okay, or a set of alphabet from A to E, then I can list them this way. This is the listing form of describing a set. This is a set of multiples of 5 up to 35. And then we have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, and so on and so forth. Then number 2, word description of set. We can also describe set. Instead of listing them, we'll describe them. Example, maybe set A, prime numbers less than 12. Prime numbers less than 12. Set C, all regional capitals in Ghana. So the moment I describe it, you can always list it. So that is the description form of a set. Then the final one, we have set builder notation. Set builder notation. And instead of maybe writing P is equal to this, okay, which is the listing form, we can represent it as this. We can say let S be a number, and the number is defined as numbers that are between 1 and 12. Between 1 and 12, or 1 less than X less than 12. That is that. And in most cases, we try to define what S is, because S can be any number, but so far as we define it, look here, we are saying S, where S is a prime number. That means all the numbers listing between 1 and 12, we can't add 8, we can't add 6 because they're not prime numbers. Good, so that becomes this one. So again, I can have another example like this. I will say the set N, which is supposed to be 1, 2, 3, up to 10, can be written as this. So here I would define S to be a natural number. So S such that S lies between 1 and 10, inclusive. So you see that here I've added inclusive. So this is what we call set builder notation. Set builder notation. So these are the ways of describing set. I'm sure this has been of help to you to understand the concept of set. In our next video, we'll be looking at types of sets and subsets. Right. Thanks so much for watching.